Well, I've been doing this channel for almost 4 years now, and I thought for sure I'd done Freebird. I mean, of course. Oh my God. I mean, it's a Southern anthem song, and I haven't. It turns out that my patron on Patreon, Paul Hoffmeister, who's a fantastic guy, he says, "Hey, would you mind doing Freebird?" I'm thinking to myself, I've already done it, and I look it up, and sure enough, I have not done it. So I'm going to correct that right now. This is, as I said, perhaps the greatest anthem in music history of all time to independence and happiness going forward after you've been in a relationship. It's a great relationship. It's not so great, whatever. But not just that. It's got something that people in the South have had for a long time, and that is a gentlemanly aspect to them. This isn't bitter. Like a lot of modern music, a little bit of the old music. This is not a bitter song. It's not a somber song like the Eagles' Desperado, a man going off. This is, if I leave here tomorrow, will you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now because there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stayed here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same because I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. Bye bye, baby. It's been a sweet love, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take it so badly because Lord knows I'm to blame. That's a Southern boy for you right there. It's a great song, and what makes it even greater perhaps is the sound. He's not just saying he's going to be independent and happy. The future looks bright. Man, it's a rollicking song, is it not? And so we are going to jump in, and this is the official video from Lynyrd Skynyrd on their YouTube site. Thanks again to Paul for telling me about this. And it's 9 minutes. So we're going to get the full instrumentals, everything on this. I can't wait. So here we go. And this starts out sort of church-like, doesn't it? So much in this. Not really giving any hint that it's going to go crazy. I like that funk guitar. I've never paid attention to how many guitars are being used on this. I think there are 4, including the bass. Y'all let me know if you know the answer to that. It's got so much sound in it.
If I leave here tomorrow,
I like that thoughtfulness.
would you still remember me?
Love his voice.
For I must be traveling on now. 'Cause there's too many places I've got to see. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same.
Strong bass. So if you stopped it right here on the song, 2 minutes in, this could be a Southern folk song with with a hint of rock in it. Yeah, obviously. But the drum and the bass are really good on this. But yeah, if it's the first time you've ever heard it, you're like, are these guys going to break out, or is this going to be just sort of easygoing rock folk?
'Cause I'm as free as a bird now.
I like how reflective that is.
And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you
dialing it back. The buildup is crazy.
Bye, bye, baby, it's the sweet love, yeah.
It's nice.
Oh, this feeling I can't change. But please don't take it so badly.
Proper grammar.
Lord knows I'm to blame. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now.
Raspiness in his voice.
And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change.
There we go.
Lord, I can't change.
Heading down the road.
To fly free, bird, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. One more notch. Love those different threads. Great drum work also. Insane. One more notch. God. Kidding. drummer's turn. The wall of sound. Release. Oh my God. Thank you for letting me go. Wow. Yeah, come down off of that high, my friends. Holy smokes. How many, it's been a few years since I listened to this, and I sometimes have tried to count how many guitar solos there are in this. And a lot of times they're not even one, it's not one guitar solo, it's two of them going at it at the same time. And I think it's more than a dozen. And the thing that's amazing is each one has got a nuance different to it, up tempo, different chord, So even though it's about 4 minutes of solos, because it doesn't kick in till halfway through, about the 4.5 minute mark on this song. The buildup is insane. And then it sweeps you in and just makes you, you're riding that freaking Harley Davidson at top speed, man, for me in West Texas, going crazy with it. Just that freedom, Freebird. And so it's just, God, and and then the drums come in for their solo. And then the guitars join him. It's just astounding. Not all guitar riffs work. Sometimes they get boring, especially if you take it on for 4 minutes. Mark Knopfler did a great job, obviously, with Sultans of Swing on that. And David Gilmour, in several songs does that as well. Welcome to the Machine and others. But it's hard to carry a solo for more than about a minute or a minute and a half. And I think what helps with this one is that there's just so many different sounds to the solos, and they're ramping it up, and these guys are just brilliant artists. It's amazing, man. It truly has to be the greatest anthem. When you join the lyrics with the sound, the greatest anthem to freedom, to free spirit, to being a free bird. You were in love, you enjoyed love, ended up not working out. Now you're a free bird. No regrets. I'm probably to blame, baby. As he says. But, I gotta go. If I stay, I die. If I go, I'm a free bird. I live. Yeah, it may be. And that's one reason why it's just I used to be clubbing all the time. This was in the rock clubs, Southern rock clubs. I was in Texas mostly. Every night you get your free bird. Yeah. So, yeah. Thanks again, Paul, for the recommendation. I'm sure I missed some things I was thinking about during that, but y'all just let me know. I love his voice. I think I said it in there, but I love his voice. All right, y'all let me know what you think. I'll catch you soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye now.